First thing we're gonna do is under this bottom of the seat toward to the center, there's a little cutout here. There's a bolt right here. We're gonna remove those bolts. There's a one on each side, one on the passenger side. So this is the bolt that was here holding on to this bottom seat. That's number 18 mil. Once you remove those two, you can lift up the bottom and whole bottom comes out. The reason that we are taking the bottom out is to remove this side because it kind of overlaps where the back panel is. So they are all 18 mil. I have it out. So you remove this bolt here, which retains the seat belt, and along with side panel. So that's 18 mil. You do one on each side. Another one on that side. These are also middle one. I don't think we have to take these out, but we took it out anyway. Then this should go up. Alright, this back seat, it's all one piece. So we're gonna have to take these two and those two there. Total of 4 bolts up on the top. And entire seat comes out. Alright, those are 14 mils. You're going to take 4 of them out. Now we're going to lift the entire seat up. We should be able to. So once you have all the bolts and nuts out, this comes off like that. Now we can access the side pillar on both sides. Then the center deck comes out. First thing you're going to do is remove that rubber gasket from the door sill. And you're going to put your hand behind the panel. Pop that out carefully. Then you pull forward toward to the front. Jim, you gotta pull forward toward to you. Yep, it comes out. Yep, that's it. So basically, you have to clear this notch right here. This one is inside. There's a clip in here. See this cutout right here? So you kind of have to maneuver one way to pull out, then turn 90 degrees and pull the other way. Then it comes out. No special trick. So remove that plastic clip. It's missing on this side. So once you do that, you should be able to lift up the whole panel. Can you lift it up? Okay, you gotta clear this. You gotta clear this back panel.
This first. Remove this up.
Okay. Come forward. The entire panel comes out. Let's see. Hang on, let me unplug this one. There's a clip here. I need a pocket tool, Jim.
Let me go.
I need a pocket tool, Jim.
Screwdriver on the floor.
We'll remove this clip, which is in there. Now you can remove this. We're going to remove these. Surprisingly, they only have a 1/7 mil holding on to the speaker on both sides. I don't know what that module is. It looks like either satellite tuner or maybe keyless entry. There's a little antenna going in there, but whatever it is, we're not gonna touch that.
What was it? Oh, this shit is in the back. No need?
You gotta lift up and come down. Okay, now you got 4 nuts on the top. Actually, bolts on the top. Okay, those 14 mils gotta go in.
Wait, line up.
Wait, this has to go here. There should be another bolt like that over here. On your side. Should be a bolt, like a big one.